Good morning, this is Tom Asper with the Viper Report. It's Thursday morning around 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I want to touch base with all of you before the market opened today since it's been such a crazy week. The SPY, the Spider Trust, has been a high of 313.84 and a low of 294.46. And currently the futures are down about 60 points. So it looks like today will be more of the roller coaster. I've been updating clients, subscribers pretty much daily the past week and a half, but also tweeting out my thoughts. So I hope you follow me on Twitter. You can see exactly what I'm thinking. This chart of the S&P Future shows that we're testing support here in early trading. So we get much below 30.50 or so. And anything decisive, that would be a suggestion that we're going to head back down to the downside. The volatility makes the risk very high, and as I told clients this morning, I think the focus should be now on risk rather than the potential reward of any trade. We have been making some recommendations. In Monday's report for the Viper ETF report, I recommended buying the XLU that opened at 62.50. I had a second buy order lower down that did not get hit. It's up almost 10% since Monday. The reason I liked it better than the other ETFs was the fact that I felt the selling here was really overdone and that longer-term technical outlooks on the utilities look much more positive than even the technology, the XLK, or healthcare, which had a banner day yesterday based on Vice President Biden's strong election results, gave healthcare stocks a real run for their money. Even though the market has been under pressure for much of the past week, we have had a couple of long recommendations. This is one of our best, Iovance Biotherapeutics, IOVA. We bought it over a week and a half ago at $23.34. We sold half out above 33, and now you can see that it's formed a doji at monthly pivot resistance, this R1, 37.63. So I'm updating holders of IOVA in this morning's report. That brings me to the primary reason for today's update, other than to tell you to be cautious and careful and look at your risk on any new positions, is to share you with an article I wrote last week for Forbes that I didn't bring to your attention. It's all about using monthly pivot analysis. As that chart of IOVA indicated, it can be a pretty good technique, and currently some of the stocks and ETFs I like, I'm looking to buy them on a pullback to their monthly pivots. In the article, I explain how you can use the pivot analysis to guide both entering a position as well as exiting a position. It gives you a whole different outlook on the market, and if you're interested in learning more about stocks and ETFs, that's one of our main goals at the Viper Report. Of course, if you take the time to read the article and have any questions, you can always email me at tom@viperreport.com. If you're interested in getting into stocks or ETFs on this current correction, which I think will present an excellent buying opportunity, you can go to theviperreport.com. If you're interested in ETFs, click on the Viper ETF link up here. It'll take you to a subscription page. As most of you probably know, you get 2 reports at least a week, though in the past 7 days I think we've had about 7 reports. And you sign up through PayPal, $34.95 a month, 2 reports a week, plus 6 trading lessons. You can cancel anytime, but I think it's a bargain. You get lots of quality information at a very reasonable price. If you're interested in stocks, you might consider the Viper Hot Stocks reports. It's published twice a week too, as well as special updates where I often recommend new buy recommendations or selling recommendations to my clients. Hope you have a great rest of the week, though it could be wild and bumpy action. High volatility usually takes a while to dissipate. Try to get back to you over the weekend. Thank you.